Welcome back to America's Dairyland, where we're focusing on what farmers do beyond dairy. Most Wisconsin dairy farms have a barn and a few other outbuildings to store machinery and equipment. When Terry Arntz built a machine shed on his property over a decade ago, he intended for it to be a machine shop. Well, things didn't really go as planned, and now that building stores other kinds of equipment. I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Arntz family. So tell me a little bit about the history of Arntz and how many cows you guys are milking. What's kind of the daily routine like here?
Yeah, we milk about 50, 60 cows. Pretty much just concentrate on milk cows. Don't have no young stock. And basically run 180 to 200 acres.
Terry and his sons, Tyler and Alex, run the everyday operations. One other thing I noticed that is certainly unlike any other dairy farm, a few little girls running around in leotards. What is that all about?
Well, we built the shop, was gonna be my shop. It pretty much went from being a shop to kind of a playhouse first and then their gym.
Terry and his wife Susan also have 4 daughters. They still help out on the farm in Terry's machine shop, but in a somewhat different capacity.
No arching, okay?
Kind of just started out for our girls to work out in a little bit, and it's just growing into something I never thought it ever could be.
So what happened was Terry built a shed in 2005. At the same time, a local school was terminating their gymnastics program. So the Arntz saw an opportunity to allow their girls to practice at home. They purchased the equipment and later opened AMKM Gym, an acronym for the 4 sisters. Amanda?
We need to lift in the shoulders a little bit more. Pull tight for that lift.
Megan?
Very nice. Good. Much better.
Kelsey?
Kiddo. There you go.
And Molly.
Here, and chest up looking, okay?
The gymnastics shed sits way back on the Arntz property, so it's easy to see how people can get a little confused when the address they arrive at for a gymnastics lesson is actually a working dairy farm. Not only do they produce delicious milk, they nurture some top gymnasts as well.
When we started very, very beginner level, and then progressively we got into USA Gymnastics. We started looking at the possibility of building our program so that we can get girls to hopefully be competing on a national team one day. And so last year, when Ella qualified level 10, that was a huge step for us.
And that's one level under elite.
Yes.
So people who aren't in gymnastics know that is a huge deal anywhere.
Yes.
That's crazy.
And we've got several girls who are quickly catching up with her too.
I'm sure she's inspiring them, and you
Yes.
guys are obviously inspiring her. So we're gonna look for her in 2020 at Tokyo, hopefully.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Fingers crossed. Yes.
I don't want to brag or anything, but while at AMKM training facility, I fully took advantage of getting in a quick little workout. Time for dismount. Nailed it. Okay, so maybe I'm not at Olympic level yet, but with Amanda's daughter and future coach in training, Gracie, at my side, I'm perfecting my skills.
Don't do what you just did. Be confident.
Okay, be confident.
Trust yourself.
Trust yourself. Okay, I needed that. Okay.
You got it.
Thank you, Gracie.
Okay. So with a little more practice and lots of cheering, I finally did a vault.
You're the best ball I've ever seen.
What? That is so nice of you. What was my score from you, Judge? Yes. Room for improvement, but I'm pretty happy with that score. High five. Thanks for the advice, everyone. Woo, woo, woo.
Now you go back and show your coach what you learned.
Clearly, Gracie has the same work ethic her grandparents have. Hard work and dedication has made the Arntz family farm a notable place to visit. See more of my shenanigans at the gym by logging on to discoverwisconsin.com. Up next, I'm revving things up at the racetrack. Stay tuned.